Hi everyone, my name is Seb, and today I will give you a brief overview of the research project I worked on in collaboration with Dr. James Hogan, which was developing a data management plan for scientific research communities. Imagine you're working on a personal project and you lose a file. It's frustrating and time consuming, but at the end of the day, the consequences are limited to your personal life. On the other hand, if you're working in a team and you lose an important file, the negative consequences could impact everyone within the team, and that's where a data management plan can help. A data management plan is essentially a framework that gives its reader a general overview on the specific duties and tasks that are required to ensure data preservation and long-term accessibility. It needs to be tuned to the specific needs of the research community and will give the reader the motivation behind creating the DMP, guidelines on data collection and storage, and assigning roles within the team to ensure documentations are appropriately conducted to comply with the DMP. The data lifecycle model can be seen in this figure. The top row is what's known as the active phase, and on the bottom row we can see stages that lead to knowledge transfer cycle or KT cycle. There are notable gaps between these stages on the bottom, and part of the reason is majority of the time data ends up on one of the members' hard drives and never makes it to the online platform. That's what the DMP tries to do. The DMP tries to fill that gap between those stages on the bottom to ensure a KT cycle can be conducted appropriately. But creating a DMP alone will not guarantee the successful transfer of knowledge based on research outcomes. And this ties into building a culture within the research community that understands and appreciates the purpose behind creating a DMP, tries its best to comply with it, and establishes a line of communication with other communities to help them with their own data management plan. At this point, you may be wondering, well, how much is this all going to cost? Because if it costs too much, then not many research communities would want to look into it. And the good news is there are many similarities between data management requirements and existing project management templates. Some of those similarities include documentation templates and role assignments, which means that these existing templates and practices can be tuned with minor differences to satisfy the data management requirements. This saves costs that would otherwise be associated with developing new templates and practices. So at this point, a data management template has been created and will be made available to the research group members. The members will receive appropriate training and will be provided the necessary resources that are required to successfully conduct their tasks and duties. The DMP will be attached to future scientific papers and presentations to establish that line of communication with other communities, and the data management plan will be improved based on its direct impact on the projects and the community members' feedback. Now, this project may not have been the fanciest one, but it is absolutely essential in determining the success of a research group. DMPs are becoming a major component of research projects, and hopefully this is just the beginning for other communities within our department and faculty to develop their own data management plans. Thanks for watching.